Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the bloom setting in Iron Nest. Begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on the clipboard, in here, or by pressing the escape key and selecting settings. From here select graphics and scroll down to the effects section. At the top should be the bloom option. By the default it is set to 15. Here you can adjust it to as low as 0 or as high as 100. You can see the effects on the gauges in the background. This is how it looks like if I apply and close the settings on the maximum value. As you can see, the gauges are luminescent right now. I'll go back and adjust it to something more reasonable. I think 20% will be more than enough. After you are done adjusting those, here, the bloom here, hit apply, hit close, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.